the second part, and it's to edit all packages and the campaigns to add the new ADN payment configuration. And I've done my payment configuration in the first tutorial. Now I'll go to packages and campaigns. And there I have my package, the Primo times number 1, and I'll go directly to edit the price rows. And from before, I have a recurring credit card already set up, so I'll create a new one with ADN. And we have ADN credit card here, and I want to have the same price. And notice that ADN will not be shown in the front for the customers, it will only say credit card. So if you don't remove the old one, it will say credit card 2 times. So when you do change this, you first create the ADN credit card, save it, and you have that price row, and then edit the credit card and disable it by clicking it and update. Payments that are still on the PayX platform will continue. It doesn't matter if it's disabled. This disabled part only prevents new customer to purchase the package campaign. And that's it. It's like it was before, just with the new options.